Teyana Taylor flaunts bare breasts in see-through bra during Kanye West's SNL. After Kanye West's confusing first musical performance during SNL in which he dressed up as a sparkling water bottle, the one thing fans are talking about the most regarding his second performance is the fact Teyana Taylor wore a see-through bra during their rendition of their song We Got Love. As a result, fans took to Twitter to talk about her bare breast revealing outfit. One user at Scott Hugo wrote, "Lil Pump dropping F-bombs, Teyana Taylor showing nipples, FCC bout to run up a check on SNL for those Kanye performances." Another fan wrote, "Teyana with the see-through at check out the risque performance below." When it comes down to the expect fodder for SNL sketches this week, we definitely anticipated a few on Brett Kavanaugh and his contentious hearing with the Senate Judiciary Committee, and we were not disappointed. Matt Damon slayed with his impersonation of Kavanaugh, which had Damon yelling, sniffling and at the very end of the cold open, shotgunning a beer. We reported earlier how surprisingly Ariana Grande was originally supposed to be the show's musical guest for its season 44 premiere. While appearing on James Andrew Miller's podcast Origins, SNL showrunner Lorne Michaels admitted, "We had Ariana drop out for emotional reasons 2 days ago. Then Kanye stepped up, so he will be there." Speaking of Ariana, Pete Davidson got into some hot water after joking on Weekend Update that he had switched Ariana's birth control with some Tic Tacs. Teyana Taylor wears a see-through top on number SNL https://t. Co-A 70 LBPR 5FJ, Douglas Pucci, at Sin Off the Brinks, September 30, 2018. We'll keep you posted with all of the latest viral SNL sketches. In the meantime, check out all of the latest pics from the 44th season of the variety show here.